Hello everyone, so today I am going to show you on how you can go ahead and make a basic skirt. So first of all, I have to go ahead and fold up like this. All right, so what I do is to make sure I go ahead and draw a start point, which is going to be my guides aligned. All right, so you draw up a straight line right there. Then after which I am done drawing that straight line, I'm going to go ahead now to mark from, we're going to measure from here, right? Measure your waist to hip depth line. And bear in mind that if you're going to be using your waistband of 2 inch, you have to minus 2 inch from your measurement, okay? But I want my length to be longer, so I'm going to just place it up like that. I will mark from the waist to the hip depth, which is 8 inch from the waist to the length of the skirt, which I'm going to do 18 inch. Now after that, I'll go ahead now to connect straight line just like this, and another straight line here like so. And I'm also going to go ahead now and add up the hemming allowance of about 1 inch. Once I am done doing so, we want to come here and mark the nipple to nipple, divide it by 2. So once I'm done doing so, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead now. I'll put 1/4 of the round waist I'm working with. Okay, assuming the round waist I'm working with is this, I'm going to go ahead and mark that up. I will mark here. Then I'll come on the hip, take the round hip, divide by 4. I'm going to go ahead and mark that up right there. Now, if you want it to be a pencil skirt, you are going to go ahead, take whatever you have from this point to this point, minus 1 inch from there. If you want it to be a flace skirt, you just go ahead and minus. Like I said, we are doing a basic skirt, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just mark that hip depth line. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead now. I will connect that up just like this. You can see. Then I'm going to bring this part up straight down like so. Okay, now that I am done doing so, we have something like this. I'm going to come here. I will put the nipple to nipple divided by 2. So my nipple to nipple is 7.5 divided by 2 is going to give me 3.075. I'm going to go ahead now. I will mark 1/2 inch both sides, 1/2 inch here and 1/2 inch here, both sides. I will rule a straight line just like this, like you can see me doing here. After rolling that straight line, I'm going to come down by 4 inch or 5 inch for the back. Remember, whatever you have from the back for the front, you are going to at least add it to the back, okay? So or you can choose to come up by 2 inch from the hip depth line, okay? If I come here, I have 1, I have 2, then I'll just have to mark it up here. Whichever way you choose to do is up to you. So I'm going to mark 5 inch right there, 5 inch, and I'm going to connect that 5 inch to meet those 1/2 inch that I went out both left and right hand sides, just like this. Like so. So now that I am done doing so, this is a normal skirt, okay? Now if you want your skirt to be pencil, what simply you're going to do, if you don't want to have it a flared skirt like this, if you want it to be a little bit pencil, you're going to come here minus 1.5 inch from there. All right, now you're going to connect this up to that 1.5 inch that you went in like this. You can see this is a pencil skirt. Can you see that? I have something like this. This part is a normal, like a A skirt, but not that A, and this part is a pencil skirt. So you're going to choose which skirt you want to have. Okay, so let me quickly go ahead now, just cut this up. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Waistband, you can do 2 inch, you can do 4 inch depending on you. So I'm just going to go ahead and rule a straight line right there, and I will cut it up like this. All right, so like so. So I have my skirt. This is my skirt. This is it. Can you see that? Oh, can you see that? So I have my basic skirt here. If you open it up like this, you're going to have a full skirt. As you can see, it's kind of an A skirt here. If you want it to be more A, just go ahead and add it up like that. I'm not going to be cutting this up because I'll be needing that in the next video I'll be doing. All right, so for the back, what you're simply going to do is when you are cutting for the back, what you're going to do is when you're cutting it, you have to add your 1 inch for your zipper allowance. Remember, the back, you need a zipper allowance so that the skirt should be able to pass through your hip, except the fabric is stretchy. All right, thank you for watching.